Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the finally long-awaited what I got for Christmas video. No one asked for this, but I wanted to film it because these are some of my favorite videos to watch on YouTube, especially around this time of year. I'm extremely grateful for everything I received this Christmas. I enjoyed spending time with my family, and I hope you did too. Now, I don't want to wait too long before we get into this video, so we're just gonna get started now. Also, sorry if like the lighting is like totally off. I'm like trying to figure out what's happening because, like I said, I just got a new camera, so I have to adjust all the lighting settings and everything. I just don't like my videos looking too gray. That's my only thing. But anyway, let's just get into this. So the first two big gifts that I got, I purchased myself. If I'm gonna be honest, I got a spending problem and I could not buy anything. Obviously, the first Christmas gift is this camera. My mom gave me some money so I could purchase it. I did pay most of it myself, but it's nice to have a little bit of help. So that was my first big gift, and obviously I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. I'm using it right now. My second gift was actually a PS4. Again, this is something I purchased myself. I've wanted a PlayStation for a pretty long time, I would say. Me and my dad would talk about it all the time about getting a PlayStation, and then I saw it at my work and I was like, why not? So I just decided to get it. It wasn't that expensive compared to other retailers. Like, it was definitely a little bit more on the cheaper side, but like still, it was like mid-range. It was like half the price of a regular one, but like, you know, so it wasn't that bad. Because I got a PlayStation, I also got a PlayStation Plus card. My mom got this for me because you need this in order to play online with other people, and she did get me some games that require playing online with other people, and I'm gonna show you all the games I got because I got quite a few. That's like one thing I don't really advertise on my channel, is that I love video games. Like, video games are like my kryptonite. I love video games so much. I've been playing them for years. Ever since I was young, we always had one of the newer PlayStations. Like, it's always PlayStations. We've never really had an Xbox. Like, we did. And we also had a Wii, but it was like handed down to us from someone else. Like, we always had a PlayStation. Like, that was the station, like that was the gaming console that we always had. So now we got the PS4. We don't really care about the PS4 Pro though, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so the games, let's get into that. The games that I got the Last of Us Remastered. If you watch my channel and you're a gamer, you would recognize this tattoo because it's from this game. I love this game so much, and the fact that I bought it for the fact that I got it for another gaming console, even though it's the same game, says a lot. The only difference is that this one has the Left Behind DLC, which I've never played, so I'm excited to play that. Next, oh my god, I was so excited about this one. I got Until Dawn. Until Dawn is a choose-your-own story game. It's about all these friends that go up to a cabin a year after one of their friends goes missing, and I've watched a playthrough, so I know how this game goes, and that's why I asked for it. And it has Rami Malek in it. If you can see here, he plays Freddie Mercury in Bohemian Rhapsody, and that movie was, like, honestly so amazing. But I'm so excited to play this. Now, this game isn't mine, but because the PS4 is in my room, it stays up here, and it's Red Dead Redemption 2. Me and my mom actually got this for my dad, so that's not mine. Then I also got Dead by Daylight. Now, this is like a 4 versus 1 like killer hunting game. Basically, one person plays as this killer, and then there's 4 other people, and you have to turn on a bunch of generators in order to find the exit and escape from the killer, and he goes around and just like kills everyone. I love this game. I've played it within the past few days, and I really like it. I've gotten really good at it. I make people rage quit, so that says a lot. Either that, I'm like a really bad player, but I assume the latter. Then from Nick, he got me Friday the 13th. This is another thing I haven't really vocalized at all, but I have always been terrified of Jason Voorhees. Like, he's to me, he's like one of the scariest things ever. And that makes me sound so dumb because he got this for me and I'm like so terrified of it. But I've watched so many playthroughs of this game and I'm like, I need it. But I don't know, he literally just like scares the absolute shit out of me. And it comes with a poster and like I feel really bad because I won't ever hang this up because I will legit have nightmares. Like, that's how terrified I am. Like, look. Chief said this ain't it. But I've played it a little bit and it's nice. Granted, I've only played with bots. But that's besides the point. So those are all the PlayStation games that I got. I'm really excited. It's definitely going to keep me occupied. Those are the ones I got from my parents, but I actually got a few more. I got Life is Strange, which I bought because they had like a Boxing Day sale and it was $4. So I bought that. And then I also got the Spider-Man DLC. The City That Never Sleeps. It comes with all 3 of the DLCs. You get the Heist, Turf Wars, and Silver Lining. I kind of wish I saved my money because I hate the DLCs. All, like, the bosses are so overpowered. Like, I've played Spider-Man twice. Like, twice I've played the campaign, and I've died maybe, like, once or twice. But in the DLCs combined, I swear to you, I've died, like, 30 times. Like, that's how overpowered it is. That's how friggin' hard it is, but it's so fun. Okay, so I guess we should talk about clothes quick. One of the things I got was this sweater. You can see my mic, but I don't really care. It's, like, one of those, like, teddy bear. I'll stand up. It's, like, one of those teddy bear kind of sweaters. Yeah. And then I also got these pants, which you can't really see. Okay. They're just really comfy. They're kind of like sweatpants in a way, but not really. They're just like nice jammy pants. And I've been wearing them all the time because they're so soft. My mom wrapped this because she thought it was the PlayStation card, but it's not. It's actually an EB Games reward card. And I told her, I was like, I'm keeping this because when you get a rewards card, you like save a bunch of stuff. Save a bunch of money. So that's mine. My mom got me this dress. For work, specifically because I don't really have black clothes and I need black clothes for work. You literally can't tell, but it's just like this dress with like these kind of flared arms. Super cute. I also got leggings, socks, and underwear, but as I've said, like the past 2 years, I'm not going to show my underwear on camera. I also got like this big like fluffy cardigan. You'll probably see it in an upcoming video, so I'm not going to wear it right now, or I'm not going to show you right now. So I mentioned in my wishlist video that I wanted these Sephora cream lip stains because I love them. So my sister went ahead and she got me the cream lip stain collection from Sephora. I'm so excited because I love the Sephora cream lip stains so much. And I'm excited to wear these. I really like these 3 shades, so I'll probably utilize those more. I feel like these 2 won't look as good on me. I also got the Bite lipstick in the shade Sake. I really wanted this. I wanted the shade Pepper. Like, I've been eyeing it up for a few months, but then I saw this one that was more of like a cool tone, and I really, really wanted it, so I asked my mom for it when we were at the store, and then I guess she went back in and bought it. Just looks like this. I'm not wearing it today, but I did swatch it. It's so pretty. I also got a candle for Christmas. I love candles. My favorite is this one, Campsite Coffee from Bath & Body Works, but it's completely sold out, and that's really annoying because it's such a nice scent. So then I got this one. This is Coconut Milk Mango. It's so nice smelling. The only thing I find difficult is opening it because it's like, this is the top, and then the bottom you kind of just like have to like rip off, which is annoying. But it smells so good. It literally smells like summer and like a pina colada. Oh my god, it's so delicious. I also received the Marc Jacobs Undercover Perfecting Coconut Face Primer. I've never tried anything from Marc Jacobs before, so I'm excited to give this one a try. I've also heard extremely good things about this. Also their Remarkable Foundation, which I want to give a go. I think it might be too full coverage for me because I'm very much like a light coverage, medium coverage person, but it would be nice. I also got the Nars Climax mascara. I've heard so many good things about this mascara. Last year I got the Snow Fairy shower gel from Lush and I really liked it, but I went through the tiny bottle so quickly, so I asked my sister if she could get me the bigger size, and she did, and I'm so excited because this is probably one of my favorite body wash scents that I've tried in the past year or so. It literally just smells like the bubblegum lip scrub, and I think that's why I love it so much. Then I also got the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I've really wanted to try this ever since I got the Silk Canvas Primer. I've wanted to try this spray because y'all know I love looking dewy, as we can tell today. We love that, so I'm excited to give that a try, obviously. Then we have the Morphe Hollywood Hills lashes. I've never tried Morphe lashes before. I saw their faux mink ones and I wanted to try those, but my sister got me these ones, so I'll definitely try these ones out. They look like the Demi Wispies except with flared ends, which I've never had lashes like this before, so I'm interested to see what they're gonna look like on my eyes. Hopefully they look good. Oh, I also forgot to mention with the clothes category, I got some new shoes. I got just like plain loafers. I'm really basic when it comes to shoes. Like I literally have a pair of fake Nikes from Walmart, like that's it. And I also have like boots that look like Harry Styles boots, but I need comfortable shoes for work. And these ones are pretty cute. You can't really tell, but they're just loafers. Because the boots, the Harry Styles boots that I have, I need to wear black shoes to work, and those are the only black shoes that I own, so these are like the next comfiest thing. So the next thing I got from my dogs, again, this is something I bought myself, but I made it from my dogs. It's the One Direction That Moment perfume. Y'all know I used to be a One Direction stan account. Like, we still are. And this is the only perfume that they've come out with that I don't have, so I really wanted to try it out. The only thing I would have to say is that I think the bottle like looks really cheap. Like it literally looks like one of those renditions that you find in like an Urban Planet or something. It literally looks like it ripped off itself, and it's actually kind of funny, but it smells really good. Okay, so one thing that I got for Christmas that I really like, I didn't expect, was these gummies. They're flamingos and they taste like a Cosmo. They're like flavored Cosmo, and I thought this was so freaking cool. So I had a few and I really liked them, and I'm not really a gummy person because they hurt my tongue. Not like, I get mouth sores from gummies is what I'm trying to say, but I tried these and these like didn't give me a mouth sore. So I went on the website and they've actually got so many like good candies. Like they have I made an order actually, but what compelled me to make an order was the fact that they had cold brew gummies. Cold brew. Are you fucking for real? They had cold brew gummies. So I ordered a bigger bag of those. I also ordered something else. I'll let you know. I also received this. This is, sorry, okay, they've fallen out because I've opened this because I'm nosy and I wanted to see what's up. This is the Fenty Beauty, Two Little Mademoiselle lipsticks. Just looks like this. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. They're in here. I took them out because I wanted to like see what they look like. But this has the shade Spanked and Griselda in here. I've never tried Fenty Beauty lipsticks, so I'm really excited. I've only tried their lip gloss, which I friggin' love. So I hope I'm gonna like those. Okay, now I'm gonna show you what I got in my stocking, just cause, and then I have a few more things after that. So the first thing I got in my stocking was these Retinol cleansing cloths. I'm excited to see if these are good or not because I know retinol's like good for anti-aging, and y'all know I got my wrinkles. I doubt this will help, to be honest. It says it's formulated with retinol, but like pure retinol is not good for your skin, so I don't know. Okay, so for my stocking, this is what my stocking looks like. I think my old one got a hole in it, like the one I had from when I was younger, so I literally had to get this one and just put my name on it with a heart. So in my stocking, I obviously got Reese. This is my favorite candy ever. I love chocolate peanut butter or anything. Like, literally people at work are like, do you eat anything besides chocolate peanut butter? And I'm like, nope. Also, I got a Wonder Bar. I don't know if they have that in the States, but we have this here in Canada. It's peanut butter and caramel. As you can tell, I eat peanut butter and chocolate all the time. And then I got a new toothbrush. It's from AIM. I actually have a really hard time picking out toothbrushes because I need something that's like really soft. Like, I've had to return toothbrushes because they literally like damage my teeth. And like there was one time not too long ago that my teeth like would bleed. Like, I brought home a toothbrush, I was like brushing my teeth, and then all of a sudden it just felt like someone took a razor blade to my gums. Like, that's how much it hurt. And that was labeled soft, and it was not. It was hard as shit. And I also said to my mom, the 3 things that I really wanted for Christmas was a camera, an espresso machine, and a tattoo. She thought she was being funny. This is like the last gift that I opened. She's like, you said you wanted a tattoo. Okay, and the last thing that I got, I decided to leave this one for last. Like I just said, I wanted a new camera, an espresso machine, and a tattoo. And y'all already know I got the camera and the tattoo. So I got an espresso machine for Christmas. This technically like is like a coffee maker. It's the Keurig K Latte, so it has buttons up, you can't even see. It has buttons up here so you can actually like make coffee with your K-Pods, and then there's like a shot button and it just says latte, so it's like for the espresso. And there's also a milk steamer on the side. After reading reviews last night, people say that they actually, the milk steamer doesn't work for them, but like honestly it doesn't really matter to me because like I only wanted the espresso. And I'm just so excited because I love this. I am excited to make some espresso. I'm excited to make myself a macchiato. That's like the only good thing that came out of working at Starbucks, is knowing what things are called now and knowing how to make stuff. Yeah, I believe that's everything I got for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, like next year, like this one, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.